Glossary refers to Advanced Translate in a Translate app. You can create specific rules to translate or not translate contents displaying on the website. With these rules included, you can manage the contents in a more flexible way and decide what they look like under different language environments. Click Settings and select third option Glossary. Click Add Rules button to create a rule. Input original content in the first blank, like a translate. Input target content in the second blank, such as a translate also. Select and filter the language you want to apply, like German. Tick case sensitive to decide based on letter case or not. Click Save button next. After saving, there appears one rule in this section. The word to translate will not translate under German on the website. Rules in Glossary will apply for new contents on the website only. If you would like to apply the rules for existing contents also, please translate one more time on your end.